Okay, team. So, welcome to maths this morning. Today, the skill that we are building is to copy a pattern, a repeating pattern. So, what's a pattern? I'm going to tell you. A pattern, Logan. You sit down and can catch your great sitting. A pattern is when, are you ready? You do the same thing again and again and again and again in the same order. Violet May, in the same order from the start to the finish. You ready? Let's say that together. We do the same thing again and again and again and again in the same order from the start to the finish. You're going to be brilliant at this skill. Let's have a look at the board. Okay, let's look at the green, orange, because we're going to start with colours. Can we say that? Green, orange. Stop. Green, orange is our pattern rule. Do you remember we've got to do the same thing again and again and again in the same order from the start to the finish? I'll show you how it works. Are you ready? Looking eyes on the board. Well done, Stevie. You're looking fantastic out there. Green, orange. Green. Let's put the lid on the end. And this one. Green, orange. Okay. The same thing again and again and again in the same order. I'm going to show you one first and then we'll do some teamwork. Okay. Green, orange. This is our rule. Green, orange. Shall we check we repeated it? Green, orange, green, orange. We've made a really good start. We've looked at our pattern rule. We've said our pattern rule with our words. And we've used our finger to point. So can you get your pointing finger? Say it with me. Here we go. Green, orange, green, orange. Stop. We need to do the same thing again and again and again in the same order. Charlie, what would we need next? Green, orange, green, orange. Yes, Charlie. Charlie paused. He thought about it. I saw Charlie's eyes look at our pattern rule. What good skills. Charlie, could you come and put green on next on our pattern for me? Marshmallow clap for Charlie. He remembered to repeat the pattern again and again and again in the same order. Nice work, Charlie. You go back to number 3. Hang on. Maybe we could see what's next. Let's check again. Go back to the beginning. Here's our pattern rule. Green, orange. You ready? Voices, eyes, point. Here we go. Green, orange, green, orange, green. Oh, I heard some brilliant responses. Violet May, your sitting is so beautiful and your listening skills are exceptional. What do we need to put next in our pattern? One voice at a time, team. Green. We're not using purple at the moment, but it's a nice idea. We'll use that later. Have a think. Green, orange, green, orange, green. Orange. Do you agree, Violet May? Did you please? Well done, team. And thank you for not calling out loudly over Violet May. Violet May, could you put the orange circle on our pattern, please? Oh, I love how Violet May put it right next to green because that was our pattern rule. Marshmallow clap for Violet May. Thank you, Violet May. Straight back to remember, darling. Well done. Okay, team, let's build our skills. So we've done 1, 2 skill. Let's build it up. We know that one. Let's build it up. Now let's use the Violet May's good idea of purple. What's the pattern rule here?
Purple.
Rotimi, that was fantastic because you found the rule, you looked at it and you used your word to say it. Could you put your hand down for 1 minute, Tommy? Let's do it together. Pointing finger. Purple, purple, orange. Look, there are 2 colours, but this time to do purple once, twice. I think we can do it, don't you? Come on, let's get that skill going. I've got purple.
And orange.
Where did I put my pens? Here they are. Good. So what colours do I need?
Green and purple.
Do I need green?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Should we put that one away? Say bye-bye green. Good checking. Okay, purple and orange. I'll model it first, then we'll work as a team. Purple, purple, orange. Purple. Purple. Orange. Okay, let's get a lolly stick. Okay, who are the lolly sticks going to choose? Darcy, they chose you. Are you up for the challenge, Darcy? Darcy, could you try and repeat our pattern rule? Darcy, the rule is purple, purple, orange. Do you think you could repeat the pattern using both colours? All team. Okay, be a good team. Listening ears, good looking eyes. Remember, if Darcy shows us a skill, that's awesome. If Darcy needs some help, we're a team and we'll be ready to help. Let's say the pattern rule while Darcy's working. It was purple, purple, orange. Repeat. Purple, purple, orange. Repeat. Purple, purple, orange. Repeat. That's all you do, isn't it? You put the same thing again and again and again and again. In the same order from the start to the end. Let's get our looking eyes on Darcy's skills. Right, now I think Darcy's done a fantastic job. Darcy, could you sit back down while we do our checking skill? Because this here says checking. When you do a pattern, sometimes those patterns are sneaky and they catch you out. You've got to check. Are you ready? Check by looking, by saying, by pointing. Here we go. I didn't use my voice then. You showed me that you've all got the checking skills. Well done. Well, do you remember in our gorgeous story there was a snail and a whale? Let's make a snail and a whale pattern. Wilf, what shall I put up first? A snail or a whale?
A snail.
Oh, let's do a full sentence then. Let's put up a snail first. Wilf, thank you for that. Here he is. Hello, Mayflower class. Oh, okay. Who else is sitting beautifully showing me these skills? Stevie, what should we put up next? A snail or a whale? So I think we should put up a snail. Stevie, would you like to put it on and then sit back down? It's got a little bit of tack on the back, so can you put him right next to our other little snail? Oh, how many snails, Tom? I heard you. Fantastic, Maskers. One and one more. Thank you, Stevie. Is two. 1, 2. Oh, okay. Rexy, thank you. You're concentrating and looking well at the back. Rexy, could you choose 1 or 2 whales? I don't know. What do you think we should put? This is going to be our pattern rule. It's chosen a whale. Right, Rexy, could you put a whale on? Has it got some tack on? Awesome. Squidge it back then. Would you like that to be the pattern rule, Rex? Okay, so Rex thinks that should be the pattern rule. Okay, let's look at it. Let's say it. Let's point to it. Are you ready? Snail, snail, whale. We're going to be great at this. Snail, snail, whale. So, could you have a little whisper to the person next to you? This is your talk partner skill. What do you think we need to put next to the pattern? Remember your skills. Okay, this is our rule. This is the rule. We've got to copy it again and again and again. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Good talking about it, Caden. 3, 2, 1. I can see some people with hands up, so thank you for joining in. Put hands down. And I'm going to ask Tommy. Tommy, you've waited really patiently with your hand up many times. Could you stand up and tell me what you think we need next? So remember your math skills and your sentence skills. I think... What do we need next, Tommy? Snail, snail, whale. Oh, now Botany called out whale. Remember, it's one voice at a time. This is an opportunity to practice our skills. So let's look and check. What's first? What's next? Stop. Now we know we've got to repeat the same thing again and again and again and again and again. So what do we need to put first? Next?
Snail.
Okay, so you fixed it up. So Botany and Tommy, you would say, I know we need to put the, because we're repeating the pattern again and again and again in the same order. Would you like to come over to snail for me? Well done. Good thinking it through. There you go. Let's got some tack on the back. Okay, Tommy, once that snail's on, could you choose somebody in the team who's sitting beautifully, who's showing us their math skills, and who's ready to put the next part of the pattern on the board? Okay, who have you chosen? Is that because he's sitting beautifully with his hands up and he's looking and he's doing all the right things? Fantastic. Okay, swap with Rotamy then. Rotamy, everyone, can we say the pattern? Rotamy, in this bucket there's snails, in this bucket there's whales. We're going to say the pattern while you choose what goes next. Are you ready, team? Start the pattern at the beginning with the rule. Snail, snail, whale. Snail, snail, whale. Did that tack come off? I can see a snail going on the board and the tack was a bit sneaky. Let's say it again from the beginning to see what Rotamy is. Snail, snail. Let's check. Well done. Well done. That's fantastic. Do you think you want to put another one on? Let's say it from the beginning because that's our pattern checking skill. Snail, snail, whale. Snail, snail, whale. Snail, snail, whale. Snail, snail. And you did. You put a snail after the whale. Can we give Rotamy a really big marshmallow clap? High five. That's fantastic. Okay, team, let's look at the board. We've done a repeating pattern with colour. Check. We've done a repeating pattern with pictures. Check. Let's use our bodies. Oh, I'm excited for this. You're so good at this. Turn round the board. Turn round the board. Okay, right, team, here we go. Fix up quality sitting. 1, 2, 3. We're going to do 3 different actions with our bodies now because you can make patterns pretty much anywhere. Do you need a toilet, Charlie? That's fine, you go straight away. Pattern 1 is pat, clap. Should we say it? Pat, clap, freeze. If I do that, it means we stop. And if I do that, we switch to the next one. Okay, you ready? Let's do the top one. I'll use my voice and then I'll put my voice away. 3, 2, 1. Pat, clap, pat, clap, pat, clap. Freeze! Fantastic! I looked at you all. You're all doing it brilliantly. Tom, that was fantastic. I just was so proud looking around the room. Okay, let's switch. We can do that one, but can we? This says pat, pat, clap. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Pat, 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 pat. Oh, freeze! Misconception. That means we got in a muddle. Let's fix it up. How many pats? 1, 2. How many claps? So it would be, let me model it for you. Pat, pat, clap. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Pat, pat, clap. Pat, pat, clap. Pat, pat, clap. Pat, pat, clap. And again. Pat, pat, clap. Pat, pat, clap. Pat, pat, clap. And freeze. Nice work, team. And you kept in time as well. Well done. Okay, let's switch. Build those skills. Get them up. I can build my skills. I am awesome. Let's go. Pat, clap, chest. Let's model that one. Rexy, you're looking really good out there. Anwich, show me you're ready. That's fine. Come straight back as soon as you're done. Are you ready? back. We're on pat, clap, chest. Okay, good luck team. When we're doing this, it's really hard for me not to say well done because I'm so proud of you, but I have to keep concentrating on my actions. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Pat, clap, chest. Pat, clap, chest. Pat, clap, chest. Shall we try and do that one with our ocean song? To go with the snail and the whale. Yeah? You ready? Okay. See if I can remember. She said, oh, let's go down to the ocean, down to the ocean, down to the ocean. Oh, let's go down to the ocean, down to the ocean blue. Okay, let's get the pattern going and then we'll try. Oh, let's go down to the ocean, down to the ocean, down to the ocean. Oh, let's go down to the ocean, down to the ocean blue. Freeze! Yes, I'm so proud of you. Right, we've got one more to add to our pattern because you've shown me all of these skills. So I'm going to add in another little action. Charlie, could you put your bottom because this is really exciting for our grown-ups at home. This one says wave. Wave. So we're going to do, Charlie, have you got a question, darling? What is it, sweetie? Can I answer it as soon as we've done our wave? Can I do that? Oh, as soon as we've done this wave, snack time. Good question. We've worked hard. We're hungry. Good question, Charlie. Okay. So what we're going to do, we're going to do the pattern with a wave at the end. Then we're going to wave to our grown-ups. And then we're going to do our independent learning and snacks. Stevie, are you ready? So let's model it. Pat, clap, chest, wave. 4 things. Can we remember that? Yes, we can. Measure. Are you ready? On your bottom, push your legs. Sit up proud. Quality audience. I'm very proud teacher right now. Here we go. Pat, clap, chest, wave. Pat, clap, chest, wave. Pat, clap, chest, wave. And then if you look absolutely amazing because you're so proud of your skills, have a look at the iPad. Give it a wave. Say bye-bye at home. We're going to go and practice our patterns now. Well done, team. I'll switch it off. You have been an incredible maths audience. Well done.